students, let us learn about the parts of your plants. Already you have studied in the previous class. So tell me the parts of your plants. You will notice that the plant has many parts. The main parts of the plant is root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit and seeds. Some plants have seeds, some plants have grains, that means food grains. So students, the main part of the plant is root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, seeds. Okay students, first we can learn about the root. Roots are usually grow under the soil. The root has mainly two functions. The first function is fixing into the soil. The second function is absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Do you know the roots of some plants can be eaten? For example, carrot, radish and beetroot. The root has mainly two functions. First one is fixing into the soil. The second function is absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Okay, next part is stem. Okay students, the stems are mostly grow above the soil. The main function of the stem is holding the branches, fruits, flowers, etc. And another one is carrying the water and food material to the other part of the plants. The root has mainly two functions. The main function of the stem is, you see the stem part only holding the branches, leaves, flowers, etc. The second function is carrying the water and the food material to the other parts of the plants. Next one is leaves. The leaves are mostly green in color. Do you know why the leaves are green in color? Because the presence of chlorophyll pigment. The main function of the leaves is they make food for themselves. The leaves are also called as the kitchen or the food factory of the plants. So leaves are otherwise called as kitchen. Kitchen or food factory of the plants. Okay students, the leaves are mostly green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Because the presence of chlorophyll pigments. At the same time, the main function of the leaves is they make food for the plant. So the leaves are called as the kitchen or the food factory of the plants. Next part is flower. Do you know, in most of the plants, the flower only colorful part of the plants. Why the flowers only colorful part? Anybody know the answer? Because they attract the bees and the butterflies. The flowers only producing seeds and fruits. And next part is fruit. Fruit is the fleshy part of the plants. That means the edible part of the plants. The fruits are grow from the flowers. Fruit contains either one or many seeds. And next is seeds. Seeds are found only inside the fruits. That means examples: mango, apple, papaya. Most new plants grow from your seeds. In some plants, seeds which are edible are called as their food grains. You see, this one is their food grains. This rice also seed. Some fruits such as mango having only one seed. In some fruits such as apple, grapes like that and all are having the few seeds. Some fruits such as papaya and watermelon having the many seeds.